Cry.
Bruh, I just got finished watching a dog video, and the dog was dying. They were killing dogs.
No.
They were killing dogs. Who does that? Why do you have to go and kill dogs, China?
Bella, watch it.
You are ugly and stupid. What's wrong with your eyes? Why do you have to look like that? You look deformed. It's not the dog's fault. You don't like them.
It's okay.
You don't have to go and kill the dogs. What did the dogs ever do to you? What did they ever do to you? What? Nothing. Exactly. Why are you doing this to dogs? They did nothing to you. Nothing. But you have to go and kill them, don't you? You have to go and kill them. That is so rude. And I'm sick of it. Why do you have to go and kill the dog? Why can't you kill cats? Why can't you kill cats? Tell me that. Tell me that. Why do you have to kill dogs? Why? They're cute. And Chinese are so ugly. Like you. That's all I gotta say. You are ugly Chinese.